picked the right answer? Let's check. Before we start, it's important for you to understand this is called a question tag. What is it? Question tag, also known as tag question, is a short question that we add at the end of a sentence or statement. We use it to confirm information, show doubt, or just to keep the conversation going. Now back to our question. The correct answer is A, doesn't he? And here is why. Rule number 1. In question tag, we use the auxiliary verb or a modal verb that matches the verb in the sentence or statement. Rule number 2. If the sentence is positive, the question tag must be negative. If the sentence is negative, the question tag must be positive. In short, they must be opposite. In our example, he speaks French. The statement is positive. So based on rule number 2, the question tag must be negative. Because the sentence is in the present simple tense with the subject he and the main verb speak. So we need to use the negative auxiliary verb doesn't. Here is the full sentence. He speaks French, doesn't he? Meaning he speaks French, right? Okay, so remember, if the sentence is in the present simple tense with the subject he, she, and it, we use the auxiliary verb does for the positive question tag and doesn't for the negative question tag. That's a wrap for today. Let me know if you have any question. Also, let me know if you would like me to cover another similar topic. Until then, take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!